Part 2. How to measure the deck off the machine / removing a treadmill deck, easiest way. 1. Unplug the treadmill. Safety first. Always disconnect the treadmill from the power source before starting any disassembly. 2. Remove the front motor cover and rear end caps. The front motor cover is typically secured with 4 screws at the front and 1 screw on each side, while the rear end caps usually have a screw underneath each side. You may need to lift your machine to the upright position if possible, or turn over onto the side. Use a screwdriver to remove all screws carefully. Then lift off the motor cover and end caps. 3. Remove the side rails. The side rails can be attached in several ways. Bolted underneath. Remove the bolts using the appropriate tool. Slide-off type. Slide the rail toward the back of the treadmill. The foot rail should come off. This can be difficult on some machines, and you may need to use your foot to help slide it back, or use a rubber mallet. Double-sided tape. Some models use strong double-sided tape to secure the foot rails. If so, carefully run a thin knife or blade underneath the rail to release it, taking care not to damage the surface. 4. Loosen the treadmill belt if needed. Before lifting or sliding the treadmill deck out, you may need to loosen the treadmill belt at the rear roller, usually with an Allen key, about 10 to 20 turns, to make removal easier. Some treadmills may also require the rear roller to be removed, especially if you are not taking the belt off along with the deck. 5. Remove the treadmill deck. The deck is usually fastened with 2 to 4 screws on each side. Before lifting it off, check underneath the deck for additional bolts that may need to be removed, support guides or cushioning brackets bolted underneath, as these may prevent the deck from being lifted or slid out. Remove all fasteners carefully. Measure the deck. Use a tape measure to record the following dimensions. Deck width, measure from side to side. Deck length, measure from top to bottom. Deck thickness, measure the height of the deck surface. Notches or cutouts. If the deck has any, measure their size and position, and make a note for reference. Example, one end both sides, top left-hand corner, etc. Notch width, measure from side to side. Notch length, measure from top to bottom.